I know I should feel safe. My heart is breaking and this look on my face shouldn't look this way again. So much confusion in this theater of pain, with the roles we all play. I'm standing up and I don't care what it takes. I don't care what they say. I keep staring at the floor, and I'm tired of these games. I keep trying to be strong, but I'm fading away. I'll protect you as best as I can. That's the job of a family man. Trying to put it on, but I'm fading away. I don't feel it anymore, and I know I'm not the same. I keep trying to put it on, but I'm fading away. I'm fading away. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. Are they home gone? Am I late? Did I miss the invite? Maybe it's me, I can't tell, 'cause I ran out of time. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. Where did you go? Was that you that just drove past the house? And is it me that they're laughing at when I step out? Maybe I'm paranoid, feels like I let everyone down. It feels like everybody's thinking I'm a nobody now. I had to write myself a letter just to know it get read. I drink myself back to life to make sure I ain't dead. But I ain't dead yet. Is there a number to call? Is there a place I can hide? Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. Myself around just to feel any pain. And if it You know I'd do it again and again. You know these things that I've done, they won't mean shit when I die. You know these songs that I've sung, they won't make anyone cry. Maybe it's me, I can't tell, 'cause I ran out of time. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never replied. Now I'm done my complaining, you just read my mind, that's you on the line. I awoke all alone on a Sunday playing games with the names in my head. It's a shame I